In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Descript for YouTube videos. Whether you're just getting started or looking to streamline your video production, this tool can save you hours of editing time. And the best part? You can start using it for completely free through the link below with exclusive bonuses. Descript is a game changer for creators, especially if you're looking for efficiency and ease of use. Instead of the usual complex editing tools, Descript lets you edit your videos by editing text. Think of it like a transcript of your video, and by modifying the text, you can cut, trim, and rearrange the video. It's that simple. The first step is to upload your video to Descript. Whether you have an MP4, MOV, or even audio files, Descript supports a wide range of formats. Once it's uploaded, Descript will automatically transcribe the audio into text, giving you a script-like version of your video. It's super accurate, but if you see any mistakes, you can quickly fix them. Now comes the fun part: editing. If you want to remove a word, a sentence, or even a part of a paragraph, all you have to do is delete the text. Descript will automatically remove the corresponding part from your video. It's all about making the process smooth and intuitive, so you spend less time scrubbing through footage. But there's more. Descript has a feature called Overdub, which lets you type out new dialogue that sounds like your own voice. If you miss a word or want to rephrase something, you can type it, and Descript will seamlessly insert it into the video. It's perfect for fixing mistakes without needing to re-record. Just imagine how much time this saves, especially for YouTubers who need to make quick edits. Next, let's talk about screen recordings. Descript allows you to record your screen and easily edit the footage, making it an excellent tool for tutorial-style videos or software walkthroughs. You can even add text captions directly to the video to emphasize points or guide the viewer through the process. Another useful feature is the ability to add subtitles. Descript automatically generates subtitles for your videos based on the transcript, saving you hours of manual work. You can customize the appearance of these subtitles to match your branding or style. If you want to spice up your video further, Descript lets you add multi-voiceover capabilities and music tracks. This is useful if you have different speakers in your video or want to add background music for extra impact. Plus, you can easily adjust the volume levels for a balanced sound experience. But one of Descript's most valuable tools for YouTubers is the filler word detection. If you're like me, you probably say, and like a little too often. With Descript, it automatically detects these filler words and lets you remove them quickly, making your video sound more professional and polished. Before you export your video, Descript lets you preview everything. You can adjust pacing, check audio levels, and fine-tune any part of the video that you think needs improvement. When you're happy with the final cut, exporting is a breeze, whether you want it in HD or in a smaller format for quicker uploading. And as a bonus for sticking around, remember that you can use Descript completely free by clicking the link below. Not only will you get access to the software, but you'll also unlock some exclusive bonuses to help you get started faster. In summary, Descript is perfect for YouTube creators who want a streamlined, efficient editing process. From simple video trimming to advanced features like overdub and automatic subtitles, it covers everything you need to produce high-quality content. And don't forget, you can start using Descript for free with our exclusive offer. Click the first link below to get started.